Guys, when I moved to London, the craziest thing I found was how unhealthy some houses are. So many had moulds on the walls, it was completely shocking. I told my landlord, hey, I've got mould, please can you fix it? You know what he said? Just ventilate. But let me tell you, it doesn't work like that. I wanted to be nice, so I asked again. Same answer, just ventilate. And at that point, I knew I needed another solution. I did some quick research and found a professional service, and the best part was it was super easy. I just sent them a WhatsApp message with some pictures and videos, and within minutes they sent me a quote. It was fair, but honestly I didn't even care about the price because I got that money back. Here's what I did. I booked the service, paid for it up front, and they came to treat the mould properly. No quick fixes, no painting over it, just the right products to remove it for good. Then they gave me a report and an invoice, and I sent that to my landlord, and guess what? He paid for it. I realised landlords and housing associations are busy. If you ask them to fix something, it takes forever, but when you show them an invoice from a proper company, they just pay. I couldn't stay in an unhealthy house anymore, so I took action, and now I'm leaving this here for you. There's a chat below where you can send your own pictures, get a quote, and get it sorted. That mould is bad for your health, bad for your breathing, and even your stress. Don't just take my word for it, look it up yourself. Click below, get a quote, and fix it. You'll thank yourself later.